Hello students, I am Rashmi Vadwa, Assistant Professor of Sant Andrew Institute of Technology and Management. Today's topic is body plot. In last video, we discussed about the polar plot and Nyquist plot. But in this video, we will discuss the polar plot, which is very important for MDU exam purpose. What do you mean by basically a body plot? Bode plot is just a combination of two plots. One is magnitude and another is phase. This is the definition of Bode plot. Basically, it is a graphical representation of the transfer function for determining the stability of the control system. Body plot consists of two separate plots. One plot is a logarithmic of magnitude of a sinusoidal transfer function and another is a plot of the phase angle. Both plots are plotted against the frequency. जब भी हम प्लॉट करेंगे तो दोनों में ही हम फ्रीक्वेंसी लेंगे, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फ्रीक्वेंसी लेंगे एक एक्सिस पे. बेसिकली जो ये बॉडी प्लॉट होता है, this body plot is drawn on a semi-log paper, not graph paper. ये semi-log paper पे हमारा ड्रॉ किया जाता है. अगर पेपर में क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपको semi-log पेपर वहीं पेपर में एग्जाम में MDU में दिया जाएगा. So the curve are drawn on semi-log paper and using the log scale for the frequency and a linear scale for magnitude or a phase angle. These magnitude is represented in decibel. Basically जो magnitude है, this is dB, it is represented in decibels. So what are the advantages of Bode plot? Why we are studying about the Bode plot? Basically the main advantage of Bode plot is that multiplication of all the magnitude can be converted into addition. Basically जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन है सभी मैग्नीट्यूड का, वो हमारा फॉर्मूले में अप्लाई करने के बाद एडिशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. एंड द सेकेंड एडवांटेज ऑफ बॉडी प्लॉट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल ओमेगा फॉर अ गिवन वैल्यू ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड एंड अ फेज कैन बी डिटरमाइंड फ्रॉम द plot. And one more another example of body plot is in body plot, the independent variable omega is considered on logarithmic scale, because of which it is convenient to obtain the frequency response of the system having a large bandwidth. And or you can see one more important advantage, that the filter characteristics of a system can be determined using the body magnitude plot. And one more another advantage of the body plot is that in addition to phase response, magnitude response can also be obtained as a linear combination of individual factor of the transfer function. So जब हमने Nyquist plot और polar plot पढ़ा था, तो उसमें हमने देखा था कि कैसे हम मैग्नीट्यूड निकालते हैं, फेज निकालते हैं, और उसमें हम क्या कर रहे थे, पुटिंग s equals to j omega and then put the omega 0 and infinity in its magnitude and phase. So कुछ वैसा ही सिमिलर क्वेश्चन करेंगे. बिफोर बॉडी प्लॉट आप एक बार Nyquist और पोलर प्लॉट से गो थ्रू होना. So in this plot, you can see on my screen that is two plots, magnitude plot and phase plot, and both the plot x-axis represent the angular frequency. हम दोनों ही प्लॉट में हमारे पास, चाहे हम मैग्नीट्यूड प्लॉट ड्रॉ करें चाहे फेज प्लॉट ड्रॉ करें, हम x-axis पे एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी ही represent करेंगे, and that in my logarithmic scale. And logarithmic here, base of logarithmic is 10, wherein the y-axis represent the magnitude of open scale transfer function in the magnitude plot and the phase angle of the open loop transfer function in the phase plot. Magnitude in dB, that is decibels, that is 20 log g into h j omega, and the phase is phase angle of g j omega into h j omega. This is my phase angle and magnitude. Now come to the basics of body plot. See, just एक टेबल की फॉर्म में मैंने आपको समझाने की कोशिश की है कि what is the basically type of term, that is constant, slope or a magnitude or a phase. Basically when there is a constant type, that is k, simple k है, तो मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे निकलेगा? योर मैग्नीट्यूड इज लाइक दैट, slope is 0 for the constant value and magnitude is 20 log k and phase for the constant is 0. अगर आप स्टेबल की भी ये चीज भी थोड़ा से माइंड में करेंगे तो आपसे इजीली क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. सपोज 0 एट द ओरिजिन, आपका ओरिजिन जो है जीरो पे, आप ओरिजिन पे आपका जीरो प्लॉट किया है हमने, तो दैट इज जे ओमेगा. एंड देन उस केस में स्लोप हमारा 20 होगा और मैग्नीट्यूड होगा 20 log ओमेगा एंड एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. When there is a n zeros and origin, then j omega raised to power n, then slope is 20n and magnitude is 20n log omega and phase angle is 90n. And if there is a pole at origin, then 1 by j omega and minus 20 and is the slope, and the magnitude is minus 20 log omega and a phase angle is minus 90. When there is a pole, when we are discussing the n poles at origin, then 1 by j omega n minus 20n is a slope and minus 20n log omega is magnitude, that is minus 90 or 270 is a phase. Now a simple 0 is there when 1 plus j omega r, then 20 and your magnitude is this one and angle is this. And simple pole is there, then 1 by j omega r माइनस. तो आप यहाँ से एक इस टेबल से एक चीज देखिए, 0 अगर है आपका, सिंपल 0 है तो आपका स्लोप +20 है. पोल है अगर तो उसका स्लोप -20 है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जब आपको बॉडी प्लॉट सेमी-लॉग पेपर पे ड्रॉ करना है. मैं सेमी-लॉग पेपर भी आपको वीडियो में शो करूंगी और उस पर कैसे बॉडी प्लॉट ड्रॉ करते हैं ये भी मैं शो करूंगी. बट आपको कुछ चीजें बॉडी प्लॉट को ड्रॉ करते हुए माइंड में रखनी है. तो वो यही है कि अगर जब एक पोल है आप ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो उस केस में हमारे पास स्लोप 20 है. जीरो ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं जब जब पोल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो -20 है. मेक श्योर. ठीक है. नाउ come to the next point. See, this is a simple basic example, that is a gs into hs is equals to k. Now its magnitude is, find out its magnitude. Its magnitude is 20 log k dB, that is 20 log k. और आपका जो मैग्नीट्यूड है वो डेसिबल्स में आपको ये चीज याद रखनी है. सो इट इज 20 log k and phase angle for the constant is 0. हमने ऊपर टेबल में किया है. This is C. The phase angle for the k is 0 and magnitude is 20 log k. So apply that thing. So magnitude is 20 log k dB and phase angle is 0. Now come to the point. The value of k is either greater than 1, either less than 1 or equals to 1. If its value is equals to 1, then the magnitude is 0 dB. If its value greater than 1, then its magnitude will be positive, and if its value is less than 1, then its magnitude will be negative. हम अगर इसे ड्रॉ करते हैं तो कैसे करते हैं, देखिए आपको इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करना है. हमने यहाँ पे मैंने इस फिगर में दोनों अलग अलग आपको सिर्फ समझाने के लिए अलग अलग प्लॉट किया है. वैसे हम एक ही ग्राफ पे मैग्नीट्यूड और फेज ड्रॉ करेंगे. जब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे बॉडी प्लॉट पे, तब हम इस चीज को देखेंगे. सो जब हम मैग्नीट्यूड वर्सेस लॉग ओमेगा ड्रॉ करते हैं, देन एंड फेज वर्सेस लॉग ओमेगा, तो हम इस तरीके से करते हैं. जैसे आपने देखा कि यहाँ पे 20 log k है एंड -20 log k है. तो जब आपका k की वैल्यू 1 है, देखिए ये था, when k is value 1, then the magnitude is 0 dB. So this is the magnitude of 0 dB. and on x axis आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं मैंने लॉगरिथमिक ओमेगा लिया है, फ्रीक्वेंसी लिया है एक एक्सिस पे, और ये मैग्नीट्यूड लिया है डेसिबल्स में, डीबी में. हमेशा इसी तरीके से ही प्लॉट करना है. और जब हमने k की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 1 ली तो आपका मैग्नीट्यूड है 20 log k, और जब मैंने k की वैल्यू लेस देन 1 ली है तो आपका मैग्नीट्यूड है दैट इज -20 log k. तो इस तरीके से हमने प्लॉट किया. जब हम फेज की बात करते हैं, जब 0 डिग्री फेज है इसमें, तो 0 डिग्री y एक्सिस पे, log ओमेगा x एक्सिस पे, देन 0 से infinity the value of k. Now this is the explanation of the above diagram. The magnitude plot is a horizontal line which is independent of frequency, and the 0 dB line itself is magnitude plot when the value of k is 1. For the positive value of k, the horizontal line shift to 20 log k dB above the 0 dB, and for the negative value of k, the horizontal line will shift 20 log k dB with below the 0 dB line. The 0 degree line itself is the phase plot for all the positive values of k. Fine. So 0 dB line itself is a 0 for all plots and positive value of k. Now consider one more example, that is gs into hs is equals to s. So the magnitude is m, that is 20 log omega, that is dB, and in phase for the omega is 90 degree. So when we are taking the different frequency, ये हमने खुद से ली है, omega is 0.1, omega is 1, in between 5 भी ले सकते थे, 7 भी, 6 भी, हमने अपनी तरफ से ये लिए, that is called basically corner frequency. अभी हम आगे next video में जब हम constructions पढ़ेंगे body plot की, कि कैसे हम body plot draw कर रहे हैं, तो omega is equals to 0.1 radian second, the magnitude is minus 20 dB. At omega is equals to 1 radian per second, the magnitude is 0 dB. And at omega is equals to 10 radian per second, the magnitude is 20 dB. Make sure this is minus 20, अगर थोड़ा सा light visible है तो. After that, this is the plot. See, on my x-axis, I draw 3 points, that is 0.1, 1 and 10. So omega at 0.1, the value of omega at 1, the value of omega at 1 and 10. So when there is a 0.1, see, when there is a 0.1 radian second omega, the magnitude is minus 20. So draw according, this is minus 20 and 0.1. When there is a value of omega is 1, then magnitude is 0. That's why it is on this axis, cut is axis. So at this point, the magnitude is 0 dB. At 10, the magnitude is 20 dB. So and so online. So at 10, the value of magnitude is, you can see from this point on screen, see the cursor, this is minus 20. So इस तरीके से हमने draw किया. This is very basic of the body plot. After you can see that 90 degree phase hai, 5 degrees with a 0 log omega, then minus 90 is in parallel with this one. So this is a diagram for phase. Now explanation of this is that the magnitude plot is a line which is having a slope of 20 dB, and the line started from omega is equals to 0.1 radian second, have a magnitude of minus 20 dB, and it continues on the same slope. It touching the 0 dB line at omega is equals to 1 radian second. It is equals to, at omega is equals to 1 radian second. Then जब आपने इसको omega को 1 radian second लेके पे touch किया, in that case the phase plot is 90 degree. So draw the 90 degree phase on its phase plot, which is like that. See this one. Now next is, consider one more example of an Opolov transfer function, that is gs into hs 1 plus st. So magnitude हो जाएगा 20 log a का square plus b का square under the root. So a is 1, b is omega square t square, and then phase is tangent inverse b by a, that is tangent inverse omega t in degrees. Make sure magnitude in decibels and phase in degrees, otherwise आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी अगर आपने यूनिट्स को प्रॉपर यूज नहीं किया. So the comparison of omega is equals to less than 1 by 2, it is 1 by t, then the magnitude is 0 dB and phase angle is 0 degree. And when omega is greater than 1 by t, then the magnitude is 20 log omega t, and then the phase is 90 degrees. So correspondingly draw on the magnitude versus logarithmic frequency. So 1 by 2, 1 by t कह दो, 1 by 2 कह दो, 10 by 2, then at 1 by t the slope magnitude is 20 dB. So at this one 1 by t is equals to 20 dB when the value of omega is greater than 1 by t. When greater than 1 by t, the slope is 20 dB per radian, and this is before 1 by t, it is 0. And where we are talking about the 0 degree,
So magnitude is 0 dB and phase angle is 0 degree. Then this is 5 degree logarithmic log omega 1 by t, 10 by t, 1 by t. So angle is drawn as 90. Before that angle is 0 degree. So this is the whole. यहाँ पे make sure आप यहाँ पे pencil से dark कर ले. यहाँ इस screen पे show नहीं हो रहा. This is darken this part and draw like that. 0 degree. Now the magnitude plot is having a magnitude of 0 dB up to omega is equals to 1 by t radian second. From omega is equals to 1 by t radian second, it is having a slope of 20 dB. You can see in figure. In this, and make sure this is dB per decade. DEC is decade. This is decade. Okay. Basically, 20 dB decade is equals to 6 dB octave. Fine. So just remember only 20 dB. जैसे हम decibels में बात करें तो यहाँ पर जो units है that is dB by decade. Fine. Now, in this case, the phase plot is having phase angle of 0 degree up to omega is equals to 1 by 2 radian per second. From here, it is having a phase angle of 90 degree. Then the Bode plot is known as asymptotic Bode plot. Asymptotic Bode plot. As the magnitude and a phase plot are represented with straight line, the exact Bode plot resemble to the asymptotic Bode plot. The only difference is that exact Bode plot will the simple curves instead of straight lines. So student, this is about up to the introduction of Bode plot or basic of Bode plot. In next video, I will tell you how to draw the Bode plot, or you can say the construction of Bode plot, and 2 or 3 problems on Bode plot. I will show you how to draw Bode plot on semi-log paper, and हम वहाँ पर semi-log paper में magnitude और a phase एक ही ग्राफ पे ड्रॉ करते हैं. So in next video we discuss about the construction and problems related on the Bode plot.